if you could earn money from home during quarantine? The coronavirus pandemic has proven that having a 9-to-5 job doesn't necessarily mean security. Stay tuned as we discover 6 ways on how to make money from home during quarantine. Most of the people are stuck at home and have a lot of spare time. It may be very disappointing, especially to those who lost their jobs. But for others, they look at the situation in a positive way. This kind of people find ways on how to be productive despite of this pandemic. It doesn't matter if you're a student, a housewife, head of the family, or even if you have a full-time job already, but looking for ways to make some extra cash on the side. Good news! Making money online is, first, not hard as you think. Second, it has a great potential. Third, and in time with the right attitude and mindset, it could give you a decent monthly pay and even passive income. So let's get started. Number 1. Online tutoring. Online tutors provide assistance to students around the world in all sorts of subjects. Tutors may work for, first, in a company. Their income is determined by the hours when they are available to work and the number of students available to be tutored during those hours. Second, for themselves. The amount they make depends on what they charge and the costs of running their business. When it comes to pay, generally paid around $5 to $12 per hour in sites like tutor.com, VIP Kid, EF Teach Online, and etc. Number 2. Amazon Book Publishing. Self-published ebooks and paperbacks for free with Kindle Direct Publishing and reach millions of readers in Amazon. Now it is your chance. In this digital age, publishing a book is not that hard to do. With Amazon Book Publishing, you can write your own book, publish it, and sell it all over Amazon platform. And added bonus, you can do it even when you live outside the US. So all of the Amazon platforms will sell your Kindle book and you'll still get paid for it. Kindle Direct Publishing will then pay you either a direct deposit or a check in the mail. It doesn't have to be a long and lengthy book. You can just write a niche book on a certain topic that's 40 or 50 pages. Market, promote it, and sell it on Amazon. Number 3. Become an online freelancer. A great opportunity for you to work from home and make some money. You become a virtual assistant. Essentially, a freelance job is one where a person works for themselves rather than for a company. While freelancers do take on contract work for companies and organizations, they are ultimately self-employed. Clients hire a freelancer to complete a task, project, or service for them. This can be anything from one-off tasks to ongoing work, short contracts, or big projects. Freelancers often work on a range of projects at any one time for various clients, and many freelancers gain work through a variety of sources. Specific skill sets, for example, writing, proofreading, editing, social media marketing, graphic design, video editing, and more. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. It's the process of earning a commission by promoting other people or companies' products. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. Every time you promote someone else's products or services, if you generate a sale for the company, you get paid. 5. YouTube channel. It's time for you to create your YouTube channel. You can show your face or not. There are YouTube channels doing great just showcasing stuff that people want. Is it worth it to become a YouTuber? Yes, being a YouTuber is really a good thing. It helps you earn some money if you have some quality content on your channel. Being new to YouTube is hard because of increased competition over the past few years and having YouTubers uploading. And number 6, coaching and consulting. Creating your online coaching. If you have any level of expertise or any knowledge that people are willing to pay you for that and you can add value to someone else with, other people will happily pay you for that. And create or build online courses, whatever you're good at or skills you have, like Udemy.com or Teachable.com. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Like and hit the subscribe button so that you can be notified whenever we post new content.